block progressions is one of those platinum only features. So let's go into that a little bit. Right here, you can see we have progressions here, which you can go in, see the lists that are here. These are the ones I've created or people on staff have created. And you can create them from here. I'll show you that later. We're going to go into how people normally build them out or save them. And that's within the program itself. So we'll take this one right here, 12-week men's fitness program. We'll select phase 1. We'll look at strength training. This shows you the week. We don't want that, or I don't want that. I want to go to load progression view so I can see it over time. Here we go. We've got a hang clean 4-week progression. We got the SEPs, percent difficulty, progressed over time, superset with the broad jump. We also have an exercise alternative selected. Hang clean with dumbbells. Right here it's annotated as a regression. Again, you can make that regression, progression, or just alternative. And one tracked set here on the final week of the progression, week 4. What I do is I select the 3 dots, select multiple right here, select all 4 weeks of that specific block's instanced across the program or across the phase, and then select this right here, save as progression. I can name it. We'll go you don't have to do these. You can if you want to. I would say tags are strategic, so I'm actually going to put a tag in here, and just for general terms we'll put power. Okay. Now I'm all the way zoomed in here for the recording, so let me zoom out a bit. There we go. Click save. And now we've created that. We could just say okay and move on with this program and build from here, or we can open up that progression in the library directly from here. I'm just go ahead and select okay. I can go back into the program. I'm going to zoom back to where I was before so we can see it more easily for this recording. I'm going to go back to the library, navigate over to progressions here, and now look for that one that we just created. There it is. I didn't name any of these components. You can absolutely do that should you choose. But again, no need there. I do use tags. And if I want to go in and see what it is or edit it, I click on this little pencil icon up here, and that'll open it up just like in the builder. Now to see the progression, we want to get out of this week view, go to load progression view, check it out, and now we can see the exact same progression that we built in the program to include the tracked set on week 4. And it also has the exercise switch annotated as a regression here for all weeks. So that's how you create a block progression. Now the next is how do we drop it into a program? So let me navigate back to the library and get rid of the filter that I had up there. And for simplicity, I'm just going to go back into the same program. So I already had it open. Go back to that same phase. There we go. Perfect. Now again, just to show you how this works, is I'm going to go here. I know it's already on day 1, but this is for functionality, not for good programming. I'm going to add block. I'll go down here where it says block progression. I'm going to filter out for that one that we just did. Gives you a little overview. You can click preview. Day 1, week 1. Yep, that's the exact one that I want. You can select insert here, or go back to this and insert there. And then as you see, we have all these other ways you can filter it out as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and enter it. Now it's cool because it tells you where do you want it. Do you want it on day 1, 2, or 3 of this program? Because this program is a 3-day a week. And then where do you want it sequenced in the day? So let's go ahead and put it all the way at the top of each day. Again, just to show you the functionality. Perfect. Weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got all those selected. Go ahead and insert. Now we can see that added to day 1 of week 1. If I go on, I flip it on its side and put in that load progression view. Now we can see that block progression was added to all 4 weeks, exactly how we had it saved. All right, so that's how you create a block progression. That's how you insert a block progression. And only because it's bad programming to have this before the warm-up, show you one more where it is select multiple and delete, so we can undo all of that. All right, fantastic. That is block progressions.